Hey Beginning Photo, we are going to learn how to develop our film today. So I've already got my film on the reel and ready to go. Everything that I'm going to say is also posted a few places right over the sinks in the developing station, so you don't need to memorize it. You can kind of follow along with the directions there. Okay. The first step is recognizing there are 3 developers. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, we can use the chemistry up to 3 times before it loses its potency and we have to dump it down the drain. So I'm going to be using number 1, and I've already got it pulled out here, and you will notice that it says 9.5 minutes. That's your overall developing time for this chemical, and when done, pour into jug 2. Okay. So up here we are in step 1, pour 20 ounces of developer into the tank. 20 ounces is also 2.5 cups. Okay, I'm gonna pour it into my tank. I'm going to put a lid on. You don't have to have the lid on, but it just helps it to not spill out. Okay, and step 2, it says tap gently a few times with your palm or the tabletop, like this, like this. That's just to get some air bubbles to the top. And my assistant's going to tell me to start her timer, 30 seconds, continuous agitation. Okay, it's kind of like tilt-a-whirl style. You're doing it side to side, but also kind of tipping it back and forth at the same time. 30 seconds continuously. And then we will do it just for 5 seconds for the remaining minutes, each minute. Where am I at on my seconds?
There you go.
Okay, so that was 30 seconds. Now my assistant is going to tell me when it is 8 minutes, 7, 6, and so on, and I will do the agitation for 5 more seconds. Now I got a little chemical on my hand, so be aware that you should not be touching your face or your skin or eating snacks or doing anything like that while you are developing. I'm gonna just rinse my hands off really quick. While we're over here, just notice that the equipment is color coded differently for developer and fix. So just like in the darkroom, fix and developer don't mix. Okay, we don't want to cross contaminate our materials. Okay. What's happening?
Am I hitting stop?
Huh?
Should I hit stop?
No, she's just gonna have to edit this part out.
She's closing the door because it was
8
noisy.
minutes.
Okay. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna set that down. Okay. While we are developing, we are going to talk through some other things. No, we're not, because Autumn's gonna edit this out.
Okay. And scene.
And see,
Yeah, I can just jump.
because you can just jump ahead to each time I agitate.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, I love you so much.
Should I hit stop then? Because it's gonna be like,
It'll be different videos. Is
Yeah.
it better to have just one continuous one?
I can do whatever. It doesn't matter.
What's easier?
it's
Cutting it just kind of.
got it.